Hello everyone and welcome back to a new vlog. Today is, what is today? I think it's Sunday. Sunday, December.
And I'm #1.
And Levi's #1. Sunday, December 20th. My camera's all crooked. And Christmas, guess what baby? Christmas is in 5 days.
Oh, is it?
Yes, 5 days.
Let me show you. Mommy, when is it?
Oopsie doodles. Oopsie doodles. Today's this day. Put your star in number 20.
It's Christmas, right?
Well, and then we got these days, and then it'll be Christmas. Put it in number 20. This has been really helpful. Now that he's like bigger and he understands Christmas, because ever since we put our tree up, he's just like has thought every day was Christmas up until I bought that, and it helps me to show him every day is a new day. We put the star in the next day. That made no sense, you know what I mean? And then I told him when we reach number 25 at the bottom, then that's Christmas, and number 24 is the night before Christmas. So that was helpful. I'm really glad I bought that this year. Baby girl's right here next to me. Baby Scar. Hi, pretty. So beautiful. I've been really slacking on vlogging. I don't know why. Probably just because it's just not as easy these days with 2 kids. Like, it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon and I still have not had breakfast. Levi's had breakfast and I fed her, of course, but I still have not eaten anything. You okay? Just got this package. We've got some refrigerator organizer, stackable food storage containers.
You know where that comes
Super
from?
excited. Yeah, baby, it came from Amazon. I am going to organize the inside of my fridge. You know you're getting old when this is the stuff that you want. Fridge organizers and new bed sheets. Super excited about them both. Also, I got another package, but I don't get to open it yet. Here it is. I don't know if it's like fragile or not. So as you guys know, I've been talking about TikTok a lot lately. I spend a lot of time on there and I've met a lot of super awesome moms on there, and we're like a little close group of friends now. There's 11 of us total, and we're in our own little like group chat on Snapchat. We're doing a lot of fun and in 1 minute. We're doing a lot of fun and like exciting things together. And we organized our own little Secret Santa. I know that this is my Secret Santa gift because they were smart enough to put next to my name Secret Santa in parentheses. And so that's my Secret Santa gift. I think we're all gonna like do like a Zoom video call, not sure when, and open our gifts together. So that's really exciting, but it's really difficult not to open it. I wanna open it so bad, but we also like came together and made our own TikTok page of moms. So if you go on TikTok or if you're interested, the name is Bomb.Moms. We are the Bomb Moms. Are you fussing now, girl? I'll have that like linked down below, maybe if I remember.
You named this Gummy Scarlet, and I named this Yummy.
He named this Gummy Scarlet because he was eating gummies the other day and looking at Scarlet. So he named this Gummy Scarlet, and this is Scammy. And these are Levi's reindeers.
You see Santa up on the top.
We've also got a fire going over there. Daddy is fishing with Uncle Joe. Robbie woke up before we did. We didn't get up till like, we kind of slept in till like 10:30 or 11. And he had the fire going, and him and my brother are fishing. I know what you're thinking. It is cold, but this is like the season for steelhead fishing. So they are fishing right now. I actually got Robbie some stuff for fishing for Christmas, and when he told me he was going this morning, like he came up there and woke me up and told me, it was so hard not to give him his presents. I just like wanted to give it to him, but Christmas is in 5 days, so he can wait and I can wait. I love giving things to people. I already gave him one of the presents that I got him because he stinking begged me, but it was just something small. So anyways, I think I'm gonna organize my fridge today. I think I need to get some more groceries. I have a Target order I need to pick up. I was expecting him to get all excited when I said that. I have a Target order to pick up. Did you hear what I said? So that means we'll be getting out of the house today, which we don't do a lot of lately. But for now, I need to get myself some breakfast and coffee.
I'm just enjoying the TV.
You're just enjoying the TV?
Yeah.
So cute. So also recently got this Echo Dot in the mail. I'm setting it up right now. I'm setting it up right now. I'm excited about it. So let me finish setting it up and let's see if it works and how it works.
Let's get you started with 4 things to try. You can say stop at any time. Let's get started. To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Try saying this.
Oops. Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
It's 39 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Here's something new I can do. I'm very helpful around the house. For example, setting alarms. I'll cancel this alarm after, but try saying, Alexa, wake me up at 9 a.m.
Alexa, wake me up at 9 a.m.
Alarm set for 9 a.m. Here's a preview of your alarm.
She's fussing.
I'll cancel that alarm for now. Okay.
Alexa, remind me to call Mom at 6 p.m.
Okay, here's a preview of your reminder. I'm reminding you. Call Mom. I'll cancel that reminder for now.
This is cool.
Let's move on to the last part of this introduction. I'll ask you a few questions to see what you like. Then, I'll send you recommendations to your Alexa app. First question. Do you like staying up to date on the latest news?
Yes.
Great. Second question. I've got mad skills. Skills are like apps for
I
Alexa.
can't believe a device like that is only $30. Like, for what it can do, I'm just surprised it doesn't cost more. I know there's more advanced ones that probably do cost more, but that one is like perfect for me. Probably use it for things like telling it to play music, asking what the weather is, asking the date, asking it to add things to my grocery list. I feel like it's perfect for me. She's fussing. I think I'm gonna get Robbie's mom one for her, or not for her birthday, for Christmas. I'm probably gonna get it today if I do. She's not like a very tech savvy or like electronic type of person, but I feel like this is super simple. I can help her. I can help her set it up on Christmas. And I don't know, I feel like she would really benefit from it. She's very forgetful. So if she actually takes the time to use it, I feel like it would be something that she would really enjoy.
For you.
So I think I'm gonna get her one.
Not for you.
Oh, hey guys, we are loving our Amazon Echo Dot. Yes, we're missing a drawer here if you have never noticed. Now you can see that. Go ahead, baby.
But I want you to say Alexa.
Now you're gonna be shy? Go ahead. You just did it a minute ago.
But I'll say pause.
Okay, you'll pause it. Alexa, play Christmas music.
Here's a station you might like. Holiday favorites on Amazon Music.
Okay, now you pause it. Go ahead.
I want to get done. That's a pause.
Say her name louder.
That's a pause.
Alright, for some reason Levi got upset because she wasn't hearing him, but Alexa, add...
What should I add?
Snack bars.
Snack bars to my shopping list.
Snack bars added to your shopping list.
Hello and good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I know I like barely vlogged yesterday at all. The plan was to vlog all day. I was gonna go to Target, pick up some orders that I made, go to Meijer and get some groceries, and then Robbie was fishing with my brother yesterday. They went steelhead fishing, and they were gone until like it was dark. So I just had Robbie go pick up my Target order and get a couple groceries. So I didn't even end up leaving the house yesterday. So I kind of just like didn't vlog because I was just sitting home all day with the kids. But it's a new day, so I'm gonna start vlogging again. Hopefully today goes better than yesterday. I did not open up my fridge organizers yet and organize my fridge. I want to get some more groceries before I do my little fridge organization, which I'm really excited about. The box sitting on the couch with her like diapers and stuff on top of it, but here's like the bins. I can't wait to like put stuff in them and organize them. Maybe fill one with fruit, put like drinks in one. I don't know, I'm excited about it. We have been having so much fun with that Amazon Echo Dot. I think that's the one that it is. Levi and I have been having so much fun with it. I ended up getting Robbie's mom one. I ordered it for Target pickup, so Robbie went and picked that up last night. And I got my mom one. I'm just gonna tell her not to watch this video if I even get it uploaded before Christmas. So I got my mom one and Robbie's mom one. It's like so easy to use and you can just ask it so many questions. I don't know, I'm like amazed by it. I know I'm late to the game. I know they've been around for a long time, but like, I just think it's awesome. Just made my oatmeal and my coffee, which I've already drank like half of my coffee. I'm adding some raisins to my oatmeal today. Not the usual. As you know, I usually would have like bananas and almonds, but I ain't feeling bananas lately for some reason. So I'm putting some raisins in there. By the way, these are the best raisins. They're from Target. Organic Thompson's raisins. They're like, if you like raisins, they're like so soft. And sometimes with raisins, they're like hard and like dried out, but these ones are always soft and squishy, so I really like them. And we are good to go with our breakfast. Here's Miss Scarlett. Kind of asleep, kind of awake. Probably gonna wake up as soon as I sit down to eat. Look how beautiful. So beautiful. All right, we just got home from the grocery store. Got all of this stuff to put away. Levi is in here having some cottage cheese, some of these little oatmeal squares, and a yogurt drink. Baby girl is in here. I don't know if she's awake or asleep.
Mommy?
Kind of asleep, kind of awake.
What is it? I love it.
I was gonna try to put the groceries away while she laid down in here, but Levi has woken her up and I'm sure she's hungry, so I'm gonna feed her and then put the groceries away. Also, this brown bag that I got is spiced rum because I'm going to try to make coquito tonight. I've never made it before. If you don't know what it is, look it up. I'm gonna try to make it tonight. I don't know, we'll see. All right, baby has been fed. Levi has been fed. I haven't fed Robbie yet, but he's a big boy, he's gonna have to wait. So I'm gonna put my groceries away and do a little organization. So let me go get the box of like organizers. All right, got them. So here's what it comes with. right, so here's what we're working with. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these.
5, 7, 8, 6, 5.
Oh my gosh.
3,
Of these
8.
bigger ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. These.
I said 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, guys. I got this new monster truck.
1 of these.
I showed them this.
Okay, that's fine. And then
I'll lift it up,
1,
okay?
2, 3, 4 of these.
Show them this.
Give me 1 second, babe. So I'm going to, I don't know, I'm going to just start organizing the fridge, I guess. Let me show you a little before and then I will show an after.
I'll show them.
Here's Levi's new monster truck.
Tell them what name is it.
I forgot its name. I forgot. Roger Dodger.
Yeah. Is it?
Roger Dodger. Here are all my groceries that I have to put away. The fridge is probably looking pretty bare right now. Not much in here. Definitely needs some organization. So here is a little before. Got some drinks up here. Cottage cheese, sour cream, and peanut butters in there. Yogurt drinks in here. These are Levi's favorite. This is like my cheese drawer and veggie sausage drawer. Pepsi's, waters, and a peach tea, because there's only one left. Body armors. And down here we have peppers and cucumbers. I know the lighting is a little jank because we're inside the fridge. Almond yogurt and applesauce. The baby is starting to fuss. And here we've got some cheeses, some specialty cheeses. Down here I have meats, different kinds of meats. And then in here we've got lettuce, spinach, strawberries, carrots, and mushrooms. And then over here, coffee creamer, milks, and a whole bunch of condiments. Okay, baby girl is starting to fuss. I gotta go in there. Now here's my pantry. It's like not very fancy. I only have one door on it because this one broke and it's like been falling down. We just took it to the basement the other day, so this is currently our pantry. So I'm going to organize and put, she's fussing again, I just fed her too, and put our dry goods away, our dry food we got today. So let's do a little before and after. Okay, and then here is after. These actually need to go down below with the chips. Got all of our snacks loaded up, organized. Down there is some cereal. Nobody really eats cereal in this house, but there's some cereal. And these are like chips and crackers. And there's water. Snacks for Levi, he loves these. These are like almonds and salad toppers, raisins, just things like that. My favorite, cinnamon raisin English muffins, some other little snacky things. And yeah, that's our pantry. And then up there I've got cookies, so Levi can't reach them, and just like other random things. But yeah, not a very cute pantry, but it gets the job done. Okay, talking a little bit quiet. I don't want to wake the baby up. She is in her swing, sleeping. It's like 7:30. But I got all the groceries away and I got everything organized, and now I am going to attempt to make some coquito. So I've got condensed milk, cream of coconut, evaporated milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon sticks, nutmeg. I believe I need cinnamon as well, ground cinnamon. And I got some spiced Bacardi rum. So those are the ingredients that I need. I'm not going to vlog the process of me making that because I have no idea what I'm doing. I need to Google it, and yeah, but I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and thank you for watching. Peace.